Partner Success Manager here at Terra, and today I'll be showing you our newest undo redo feature within Terra. Even as teachers, we all make mistakes, sometimes delete a clever activity or resource that we knew was going to take our students to the next level, only for a stroke of the computer keys to bring it all down. Well, fear not, for now all of our text boxes have a clever undo redo dials that you can click and undo that minor slip of the fingers. To see these undo redo arrows in action, simply navigate to any of your lessons. So today I'm going to be opening one of the classes in my landforms unit. So I'm going to open that unit and I am going to click on volcanoes and their parts. And I'm going to click edit lesson. And it looks like nothing has been put in this lesson yet. So I'm just going to select a blank template and put in my do now just to get started. So I'm opening up this do now and I see these resources, right? These resources are wonderful. Wow, look at them. I can click them and go, and I can literally just do anything in my classroom with these resources. So I try to copy them because I want to text them to my best friend who is also a teacher. And in this moment, I accidentally, instead of pressing Command C for copy, I accidentally pressed delete. And they're gone. And I'm sad because I really wanted those resources. Well, fear not, because I can easily retrieve those resources by the simple click of clicking the undo button. But if I change my mind and I no longer want to use those resources, I can simply click the redo button and I'll take it all away. I can access any of these undo redo features in any of our text boxes. So for instance, I want to add something here. This is me adding something. And I say, I don't like that anymore. I can easily just take it away. And that's our undo redo feature.